Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we want to work on our presentation drawings. We want to place our furniture in our drawings. So how can we do that? First thing is to locate your template on your system. So I think mine is right here. Yeah. So templates. Yeah, I have different templates. We have beds, sofas, vegetations, elevations, lot of things, gym equipment, stairs, ironwork, street lights, light, table lamps, and all. So I'm going to be opening the one I will be needing, like beds. So here we have different types and sizes of bed. So these are the plans, these are the elevations. Let's see. So let's get started. Let's pick a bed. I think I want to use this. So you're going to highlight it, then Ctrl plus C. After that, you go back to your work, Ctrl plus V for pasting. And yeah, you drop it. Okay, that's it. So the same way, that's how you are going to do everything. Now kitchen, go back. You pick the one you want. Ctrl plus C. Back to your work. Ctrl plus V. Oh my goodness, it's small. So we're going to press Ctrl plus V. As we can see, the size, the scale is small, so we are going to increase the scale. We highlight it, SC. Increase. Okay. Let's place our chairs. So the next one to do now is to arch. So here we have it. Our presentation drawing is ready. Now to draw a roof plan, we are going to use polyline. And you offset 600. Then line. Offsets. Now to fillet. F. So we are going to arch H, and you pick line, you hit it 50. You can change the color. So match property. So this you're going to use it. Yes, our roof plan is ready. So here we have it. Our roof plan is ready. In the next video, I'm going to be showing us how we can draw our elevations. Okay, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.